Hey y'all, today I got to go to Twin Dragon Hibachi in North Miami at Nomi Village. You definitely should check them out, especially if you're like me and you love good hibachi. First thing I tried was their Dragon Fire lamb chops. Now, this is like a spicy lamb chop. Really, really good. Definitely recommend it if you've never tried something like that. Then their lobster and their shrimp, really well seasoned. They have some really, really good seasoned food. You won't miss out on seasoning at all. Then I tried their great serpent. If you love salmon, get that. And their hibachi dia. My favorite was a steak.